All right, boys, we are back in the kitchen, and today we're doing a high protein, low calorie omelette slash breakfast quiche. So this is really simple. There's just a few minor tweaks that we do to it in order to increase the amount of food we're eating and decrease the calories found within it. 200 calories per serve. Let's get into it. All right, boys, to begin with, obviously we're gonna have eggs as our base. So make sure you buy some egg whites, minimum of 500 grams you need. We're also going to have 4 eggs that we're going to whisk all together. We've got our veg on the side, so just an assortment of different veg. I'm using today tomato, capsicum, and onion. And finally, you're going to need a pan. You're going to need a baking tray with some baking paper in it. And finally, obviously, we've got some light cheese and some olive oil to fry off our veg. Let's get started. All right, boys, so first up, we're gonna make sure that the oven is going, set it around 180 to 200 degrees. But first up, we're gonna make sure that our eggs are whisked and seasoned, ready to chuck into our baking pan. So just chuck your eggs in there to begin with, and chuck all of the egg whites, so all 500 grams of the egg whites in there as well, and whisk it all in well. Beautiful. Once all your eggs are in, chuck your egg whites in as well. As you can see, there is going to be a whole lot of food in this dish. And then just whisk the egg yolks through, just so you get a nice consistency. Add some salt and pepper, and that will be ready to go. So essentially what we're going to do is we're going to fry up all the veg. We're going to place the egg into our pan, chuck the cooked veg on top, sprinkle some cheese on top, and chuck it in the oven. Beautiful. That's looking pretty good. So from there, just chuck some salt and pepper in there just to season it quickly. We'll also season it a bit more once we chuck it into the baking tray. Beautiful. Now our eggs are done. What we're going to do now is go on to frying our vegetables. So remember, when we're using oil, keep an eye on the amount you're using. For this dish, realistically, you'll only need around 1 tablespoon. And because we're using baking paper in the baking tray, we won't actually need to use any olive oil to make it non-stick within that tray. So make sure you've got a tablespoon ready to rock and roll, as I do not. Turn it on nice and high because we're just wanting to fry these off. Beautiful, so chuck your oil in, 1 tablespoon. Of course, that is plenty of olive oil for us to use. And once it's really hot, that's when we chuck in our veg. We're just going to fry it off. Whilst the pan is heating up, you can literally just make sure that the baking paper is ready to rock and roll, and we're just going to tip in all the egg yolks into the baking tray. All right, boys, so the pan is getting really hot. What we're going to do, we're going to chuck in all the veg into the pan, cook it off, and as soon as it's done, chuck it straight on top of the eggs, and then we're going to sprinkle some cheese on top, then straight into the oven. Hearing that sizzling sound, which will tell you that it's ready to rock and roll. So make sure you're moving all the veggies in it. We're just essentially quickly frying it off, making sure it's partly cooked. A really good one to do too is to make sure you season as you're going along. Salt, pepper, bit of chili, garlic are also some really good things you can add to this dish. So all the vegetables are fried off. Now what we want to do is slowly put the cooked veg throughout the egg mix, evenly distributed over the course of the omelette. And just for a bit of a finishing touch, chuck in a couple of servings of cheese. Remember, measure this out. Cheese is very dense in calories, and it's so easy to just grab a whole handful of cheese and drop it in. So there's 50 grams of low-fat mozzarella cheese in here, and just sprinkle it throughout the quiche slash omelette. Beautiful. Once all that's done, time to chuck into the oven. Keep an eye on it as it cooks along, but just wait for it to cook fully through. And it's going to look something like this. Make sure the eggs cook the whole way through. Cut it into 4 even slices, and there you go. Absolutely beautiful, high protein omelette slash breakfast quiche. Give that one a go.